NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams.
We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
This is a huge discovery, and we think that it's a huge discovery. And that's the most exciting piece of this telescope, of this remarkable instrument we put in space, is finding things that we didn't expect, that we can't explain, because that means that we have to revise our understanding of the universe.
NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has barely woken up, and the universe is now more baffling, more lovely than mankind's fantasies. Every one of these little dabs are stars, and every one of these little spots are galaxies, some of which are greater than our own. Letting the cat out of the bag, we may have recently tracked down likely proof of intelligent life beyond Earth. This is a tremendous revelation, and we feel that it's monumental. The most exciting part of this exceptional instrument we put in space is discovering things we didn't expect and can't explain. This means we must rethink our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is so powerful that, with enough time, it could likely find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. Looking beyond our planetary system to the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, which is 24 trillion miles away, may seem like a great distance, but in space terms it's our neighbor. Now, experts are hailing a significant discovery. A new planet, Proxima b. At just 4 light-years away, it's relatively close to us. It's roughly the same size as Earth, and because it's the ideal distance from its star, it may have the right temperature to support liquid water and possibly life. This is a game changer. Astronomers have hit the jackpot. A new chapter in cosmology has opened. After examining 4,000 extrasolar planets, we've finally found the closest one that looks remarkably similar to Earth. Proxima Centauri b. This planet orbits one of the stars in a triple star system. NASA has discovered a super-Earth that might have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, around 800 trillion miles. Space experts say the planet is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and orbits a small red star cooler than our Sun. While we haven't found an exact twin for Earth, this isn't too far off. In the most recent batch of 500 new potential planets, this one is significantly larger than Earth, about half as big again. Has been named Proxima b. Despite its star being much cooler than the Sun, the planet is in the ideal zone for liquid water to exist on its surface. This means it could, in theory, support life. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has captured something dazzling on Proxima b. Strange lights glimmering from the planet. Proxima b, just 4 light-years away, might not just be a rocky body in space. It could be alive. These lights seem too deliberate to ignore. Let's prepare ourselves and dig deeper into the unknown. Could these lights mean we're not alone? Signs of activity on Proxima b have captivated scientists. David Kipping, a prominent astronomer at Columbia University, believes Proxima b is complicated. Unlike most rocky planets that absorb sunlight and emit infrared energy, Proxima b behaves differently, as if it has a story to tell. What dark mysteries lie beneath its surface waiting to be uncovered? The James Webb Space Telescope has given us an extraordinary window to study this planet. It's even possible to observe its day-night cycles, which occur every 11 Earth days. If it turns out that the planet has an atmosphere, the next logical step is to study its chemical composition. If there's oxygen, water vapor, or methane, we could be looking at a place that's habitable, or at least capable of supporting life. Proxima b might not be the friendly twin of Earth we're hoping for. The extreme radiation from its star could strip away any atmosphere it has, making it a tough place to survive. Additionally, one side of the planet could constantly face the star, meaning one side would be perpetually hot while the other remains freezing cold, a bit like Earth being trapped in eternal day and night simultaneously. However, red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri tend to stick around for an extremely long time. That's a lot of time for life to adapt and evolve. Even though the planet is bombarded by solar winds, something there might be tough enough to endure. These incredible possibilities drive scientists to explore further and study planets that might not seem like ideal candidates for life. Who's to say life couldn't thrive in a place that doesn't look like Earth? Earth itself is filled with extremophiles, tiny organisms that thrive in conditions that would kill most other life forms. Acidic pools, boiling heat, freezing cold, they can handle it all. If Earth has life tough enough to survive that, why not Proxima b? Then there's the tantalizing possibility that the lights on Proxima b aren't random. If there truly are lights on the planet, it suggests something or someone is there. If we're seeing evidence of intelligent life, it means we're not alone, and that changes everything. The JWST is giving us a taste of what's out there. Upcoming telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope (ELT) will take this much further, providing clearer views, more detailed data, and perhaps direct evidence of alien ecosystems. Researchers are already imagining ways to block the glare of stars to better observe the planets orbiting them, like using your hand to shield your eyes from the sun so you can see what's in front of you. Identifying gases produced by volcanoes versus those created by living organisms is challenging, but scientists are working on it. They want to ensure they're not being misled by natural processes in their search for signs of alien life. The possibility that there could be trillions of planets out there, some of which could harbor life, is enough to keep the search going even without definitive proof. Perhaps those lights are a sign that we're not alone in this vast universe. Perhaps it's the beginning of something much greater, an interstellar connection that spans across the stars. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Proxima b, it's worth exploring the planet's unique features and its interactions with its star. Proxima Centauri, unlike our Sun, is a red dwarf star. These stars are cooler and smaller but make up about 70% of all stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Since red dwarfs burn fuel slowly, they live for billions of years, significantly longer than larger stars like our Sun. This long lifespan could be crucial for supporting potential life, providing an immense amount of time to adapt and evolve. The planet's orbit around Proxima Centauri is delicate, and it could harbor life forms that have endured extreme conditions for countless generations. One of the biggest challenges for any life on Proxima b would be the intense stellar flares typical of red dwarf stars. Proxima Centauri, in particular, is known for its powerful flares that release enormous amounts of energy and radiation into space. This radiation could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time, making it less hospitable for life as we know it. However, what if life on Proxima b evolved differently? Perhaps it has found ways to protect itself from these harsh conditions. Maybe life exists beneath the planet's surface, shielded from the harmful radiation. These are the questions that keep scientists intrigued and motivated to learn more. The strange lights on Proxima b could be telling us something about life there. The James Webb Space Telescope's ability to detect chemical signatures in the atmosphere could provide answers about how life might survive in such extreme conditions. By analyzing the atmosphere, scientists could determine whether the planet has a thick layer of gases that could act as a protective shield, preventing the most harmful stellar radiation from reaching the surface. If an atmosphere is found, the next question would be, what does it consist of? The presence of chemicals like oxygen, carbon dioxide, or methane could indicate biological processes, much like they do on Earth. If these gases are detected, it would be a groundbreaking discovery, suggesting that Proxima b might not just be habitable but potentially inhabited. Yet, even with these exciting possibilities, we must remain cautious. The lights on Proxima b could have other explanations. They might be caused by natural phenomena like volcanic activity or reflections from icy surfaces. Scientists are carefully analyzing all available data to rule out any misleading signals. Despite the challenges, the discovery of Proxima b has reignited humanity's curiosity about the cosmos. It represents the incredible potential of modern astronomy and the ongoing quest to answer one of the biggest questions of all. Are we alone in the universe? With upcoming advancements in telescope technology, including the Extremely Large Telescope (ELT), we will soon have even more powerful tools to study Proxima b and other exoplanets in greater detail. These telescopes will provide clearer images and allow researchers to analyze planetary atmospheres with unprecedented precision. As we move forward, The discovery of planets like Proxima b challenges us to think beyond the limitations of our own experience. Life may take forms we cannot yet imagine, thriving in conditions that seem uninhabitable by Earth's standards. The universe is vast and diverse, and with every discovery, we are reminded of how little we truly know. Proxima b has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Whether or not it harbors life, it stands as a testament to humanity's enduring drive to explore, understand, and reach for the stars. As the James Webb Space Telescope and other instruments continue to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, one thing is certain: the story of Proxima b is just beginning. Lights on the planet. What could be causing them? Are we managing trend-setting innovations like city lights enlightening the dim? Or might it at some point be a characteristic peculiarity we've yet to figure out? The secrets encompassing Proxima b are a constant source of interest for scientists, researchers, and stargazers. Its closeness to Earth makes it an ideal objective for continued investigation, and advancements in technology will only expand our understanding of its mysteries. The ability to examine its atmosphere, study its surface features, and observe its connection with Proxima Centauri could lead to revolutionary discoveries. As specialists continue to explore, they are also considering the implications of potential intelligent life. If the lights on Proxima b are indeed an indication of an advanced civilization, what could their presence mean for humankind? Communication would be an incredible challenge. Light years of distance create huge delays. Yet, if a method could be devised, it might open a new chapter in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Even if Proxima b hosts life that isn't intelligent, it would still be a remarkable discovery. Finding microbial or plant-like organisms would confirm that life isn't unique to Earth, proving that conditions for life can arise elsewhere. Such a finding would fuel the search for life on other planets, both within our solar system and beyond. Planets like Mars, Europa, and Enceladus would become even more critical focal points for exploration, as their conditions might reflect those of Proxima b in some ways. Looking to the future, missions designed to study Proxima b in detail could involve sending probes equipped with cutting-edge sensors. These probes would explore the atmosphere, map the terrain, and perhaps even detect surface activity. The next generation of telescopes, such as the ELT, Extremely Large Telescope, and other space-based observatories, will provide the precision needed to detect faint signals and study Proxima b's unique characteristics with unparalleled clarity. However, scientists are cautious. They understand the risks of interpreting data through a human-centric lens. Natural phenomena could mimic indications of life or civilization. For instance, volcanic activity or other geological processes could explain the light seen on Proxima b. Distinguishing natural causes from potential biological or technological ones requires careful, unbiased analysis. Despite these challenges, the excitement surrounding Proxima b is undeniable. It represents the next frontier in humanity's quest to understand the universe. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Whether or not Proxima b harbors life, its study will teach us more about the conditions that make planets habitable, the dynamics of exoplanetary systems, and the potential for life elsewhere. As we continue to look outward, the search for life on Proxima b and beyond reminds us of the vastness of the universe and our shared curiosity to uncover its mysteries. Whether it's microbial life under alien skies or the lights of an advanced civilization, Proxima b stands as a beacon of possibility, urging us to explore further and dream bigger. Advances in technology might one day allow us to store energy for long durations, enabling organisms to survive harsh environments, or perhaps harness geothermal energy from a planet's core, an innovation we are only beginning to explore on Earth. These are the kinds of questions the JWST and future telescopes could help answer. For now, scientists are focused on gathering as much data as possible to learn about atmospheric conditions, surface temperatures, and the potential for water. The upcoming Extremely Large Telescope will play a crucial role in building on what the JWST has started. With its massive mirror and advanced technology, the ELT will be able to capture much more detailed images and gather more specific data about Proxima b and other exoplanets like it. One day, we may even directly image an alien world in such detail that we can see signs of civilization. That possibility is truly exciting. The ELT, along with other future projects like the Habitable Exoplanet Observatory and the Large Ultraviolet Optical Infrared Surveyor, could help us view exoplanets in ways previously unimaginable. They might reveal city lights, moving vehicles, or even vegetation patterns, anything that could indicate the presence of intelligent life. However, even if we don't find definitive evidence of an alien civilization, the search itself is incredibly valuable. Every piece of data we gather helps us better understand the universe and our place within it. The discovery of Proxima b, along with the potential lights on its surface, is just the beginning of what could be a long journey toward understanding whether we are alone. If there is life on this planet, it might be entirely unlike anything we're accustomed to. Microbial life thriving beneath the surface in a hidden ocean, or something completely beyond our comprehension. As we ask whether we're alone, we can't help but wonder, is there someone else out there looking up at the stars and pondering the same questions? The JWST has given us the tools to start answering those questions in ways that were never possible before. By studying this planet, we're not just searching for life. We're searching for connection, a shared existence in a universe that often feels overwhelmingly vast and empty. As we continue to develop new technologies and explore further into space, the possibilities are endless. We could find that Proxima b is just the tip of the iceberg, that there are countless other planets out there with the right conditions for life. We might discover that life can exist in forms we've never imagined, thriving in environments that seem utterly hostile. Or we could find signs of advanced civilizations, beings that have overcome similar challenges to ours and found ways to thrive among the stars. Whatever we find, the journey itself is worth it. The search for life on this planet and beyond reminds us that we are part of something much greater. We are explorers, driven to push the boundaries of what we know and discover what lies beyond. And as we look out into the universe, we might just find that we're not alone after all. The mysterious little exoplanet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor Proxima Centauri has captured everyone's attention. Scientists, space enthusiasts, and anyone who dreams of what's out there. Why? Because this planet sits just 4 light-years away. In space terms, that's practically next door. And that's enough to make us wonder, is there a chance that something alive is out there? Or could we one day pack our bags for it? Challenges stand in the way of exploring Proxima b. The effort to uncover its mysteries began with the JWST, launched in December 2021. This telescope has remarkable capabilities. It can peer deep into space in ways nothing else ever could, like looking through a cosmic haze with infrared glasses. The planet was exactly the kind of focus the JWST was built for. Webb could analyze light coming from Proxima Centauri that passed through the planet's atmosphere, allowing us to glimpse its composition: water vapor, methane, oxygen, the sorts of things that could indicate life. When the data from the JWST arrived, it was like opening a mystery box. We got hints that maybe, just maybe, the planet had the right conditions for water. However, and this is a big however, the planet is extremely close to Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star known for its brutal radiation flares. These flares could scorch any living thing on the planet's surface. So now there's a lot of debate. Could anything possibly survive there, or is it just too harsh? Maybe it's more like a dead wasteland. Or maybe it has some surprisingly tough organisms hiding underground. Who knows? Then, there's the idea of actually going there. Forget the rockets we have now, they're nowhere near fast enough for this kind of journey. We're talking millennia, even if you could somehow live forever. Enter crazy ideas like Breakthrough Starshot. This team has a plan to send tiny probes to Proxima Centauri using light sails. They'd use powerful lasers on Earth to push these probes to about 20% the speed of light. If it works, they could reach the planet in just a few decades. Now we're talking. This Starshot idea is completely wild. Imagine tiny probes, no bigger than a smartphone, zooming through space at incredible speeds, snapping pictures and sending back data. We're nowhere near launching this yet. There are lots of technical challenges to overcome, but if it happens, it would be incredible. We'd finally get a good look at the planet and maybe know for sure if there's anything living there. Proxima b has everyone excited, not just because it might have life but because studying it is driving innovation. Observing it means gathering heaps of data and figuring out how to interpret it. Scientists are increasingly relying on artificial intelligence to help. Advanced algorithms are learning to pick up on the faintest signals that could indicate the planet's environment or even alien life. AI might just be the unsung hero